Like, okay, my camera's acting up. It just said I had a dead battery, so we'll see how long this lasts. Anyway, okay, what I did was, remember, we connected the A-arms. We put this piece back in to the big hole, and I just connected the springs. And now we're going to connect the springs to over there, right there, and there. Okay. Yep, see, I just did it. It just stripped. Yep, it just stripped, so. Yep, that's a bummer, but oh well. It's in far enough though. But anyway. Okay, now we're gonna have, and this is kind of the tricky part. I think you gotta get them in just right, or they won't go in. So I'm gonna stop there.